Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and today I am going to discuss about the direct and inverse proportion for class 8. So we will see here what is direct proportion. Okay, so two quantities x and y are said to be in direct proportion if the value of x increases then value of y also increases, or opposite, if value of x decreases then the value of y decreases in such a way that the ratio x upon y remains constant. If two quantities x and y are in direct proportion, we write it as the symbol is this one for proportion, direct proportion. Okay, so we will see some example. Suppose I have number of chocolates here and the price is this one in rupees. Okay, so I have one chocolate, the price is 100 rupees. Two chocolate, I have price is 200 rupees. Likewise, I have 5 chocolates, the price is 500 rupees. Now I want to find out the value for 10 chocolates. So what is the price? I am assuming it x. Now if we do x upon y, 1 upon 100 equal to, this the value will be, this is a constant for each chocolate quantity and the price. If you will see, 2 upon 200 is 1 upon 100, 5 upon 500 equal to 1 upon 100. So these all values are constant. So now I have to find out the price for 10 chocolates. One chocolate price is 100 rupees. 10 chocolate prices, assume it's x. So we will do cross multiplication in this. Okay, so x equal to 100, 10 into 100, that is x equal to 1000 rupees. Okay, the price is 1000 rupees, and we have to see if the chocolate price is increasing. Here the chocolate price is increasing, so chocolates quantity is increasing, then the price is also increasing. So in this way we find out that it's a direct proportion or inverse proportion. Now we will see inverse proportion. Inverse proportion, x and y are said to be inverse proportion if x y equal to k. Okay, so where k is a constant. Now in inverse proportion, if x value increases then y value decrease. Opposite happens here. If x value decreases then y value also y value increases. Okay, so we will see some example. Now we have people here and they, in how many days they finish the work. Suppose I have 10 people and they finish the work in 15 days. Okay, and I have 6 people, in how many days they will finish the work. If you see, 10 people will finish the work fast. 6 people, if we have less manpower, they will finish the work in more days. Okay, they will finish the work in more days required for 6 people because they are lesser people, less manpower is there. Okay, so this is decreasing, and this, because we need more people, so it is increasing. Okay, this is increasing. So in this way we will find out. In this inverse proportion we do direct multiplication. 6x equal to 10 into 15, or x equal to 10 into 15 upon 6. Okay, this is, we will cross this, 2, 5, 3, and this 3 will divide it by this. So the 25 days are required for 6 people. More days are required. Okay, and we in this inverse proportion symbol is x is to inverse proportion 1 upon y. Okay, and the all the values remain constant. Now we will see some more examples. Given this is x is to y is direct proportion, find the values of x1, x2 and y1. Complete the table. Now we have to find out the value for x1. We have to find out the value for x1, x2 and y1. So it's a direct proportion. We do cross multiplication here. Okay, 3 upon 36 equal to x1 upon 60. Now we are doing cross multiplication. 36 x1 equal to 3 into 60, or x1 equal to 3 into 60 upon 36. We will divide it 12. It's a 5. Value is 5. So x2 value is, again we will take with the first values, uh, 3 into 36, x2 value, x2 upon 96. 36 x2 equal to 96 upon 3, or x2 equal to 96 into 3 upon 36. So again this will be divided and the value for this one is 12 into 8. Okay, so the value is x2 is 8. X2 value is 8. Now we have to find out the y1 value. So 3 upon 36 equal to 10 upon y1. Okay, and then we will do cross multiplication again. So y1 equal to 10 into 36 upon 3, or it will 12 120. So if we now we have all the values, if you want to find out the answer, if you want to find out the that all the values are constant, 3 upon 36 is 1 upon 12. X1 value how much we find out, 5 upon 20, 5 upon 60 equal to 1 upon 12. Again x2 value we find out the 8, 8 upon 96 is 1 upon 12. And the last one is y1 we got 120. So 10 upon 120 equal to 1 upon 12. So you can see in this way we can find out all the values are coming constant. Okay, now we'll see one more example. Vertical pole 50 meters 60 centimeter high, cast a shadow 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Suppose I have this vertical pole and the height is 5 meters 60 centimeter long, and the shadow is 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Okay, now I will convert this into the centimeter. 5 into 100 plus 60 equal to 560 centimeter. Okay, we will multiply with 100. Okay, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So in this way we will find out 560 centimeter. This one is 320 and this one is 1050. It's in 1 centimeter. So find at the same time the length of shadow cast by another pole is 10 meter 50 centimeter high. So length of the shadow cast by, now we have to find out the length. So if you see here, the height of the pole is increasing, the height of the pole is increasing. So in this way the height of the pole is increasing, so the length of the shadow will also increase. If we have this height, then the length of the shadow is 320. If we have more height pole, then the shadow will be definitely be more length. Okay, so in this way if you can see both things are increasing, so it's a direct proportion. So we have to find out the value for x. 560 upon 1050 equal to 320 upon x. We will do cross multiplication. X equal to 320 up into 1050 upon 560. Okay, so 0 will be cancelled. This 0 will be cancelled, and I will cut it with 2, 6, 4, and this 8. Again divided by 2, 14, 4, 7. Okay, now we will divide it this one with 1050. So it will be 7, 1, or x equal to 4 into 150 is 4 into 5 is 20. It's a 600 meters, 600 centimeter. Okay, or you can say it's a 6 meter. It's a that is the length of the shadow for 1050 height of the pole. Okay, now we will see, we have to find out the, in the second question they have given the length of the shadow, we have to find out the height of a pole. So again we will see 560 upon y equal to 320 upon 500. Okay, again we will do a cross multiplication. So y equal to 560 upon into 500 upon 320. This 0 will cancel. 2 into 2 is 4, 2, 8, 16, 14, 8, 7, 4. Okay, so this 4 will be divided by this 500. 4, 1, 2, and again 2 will come, remain here. So the value is 125 into 7 is, the value will be 7 into 5 is 35, 5 carry on 3, 7 to the 14, 15, 16, 17, 7 carry on 1. It's a 875, so in centimeter. So if we have to find out in meter, it's 8 meter plus 75 centimeter is the answer. So we have to see first it's a direct proportion or inverse proportion. We have to see the quantity and the amount is increasing or decreasing. In that way we can find out the what is a direct proportion or is it a inverse proportion. Now we will see some more examples. Question 3, as the I told you, it's the inverse proportion. Copy and complete the table. So we have to find out the value for Z1, Y1 and Z2. So in direct inverse proportion, we do the direct multiplication. Okay, like we do multiplication this way. So Z1 value will be 8 into 2 upon 4. Okay, so in this way we will find out the value for Z1 value equal to 4. Now we have to find out the value for Y1. So 2, 8, Y1, 16. We will do direct multiplication. 16 Y1 equal to 2 into 8. Y1 equal to 2 into 8 upon 16. The value for the y1 equal to 1. Okay, so we now we have to find out the value for z2. So 2 8 1 upon 4 z2. Again we will do the same multiplication. 1 upon 4 z2 equal to 2 into 8 or z2 equal to 2 into 8 upon into this y will go here, this 4 value will go here. 2 into 8 is 16 into 4 is 64, and we can again see the this, if you see here 2 into 8 is 16. Okay, 4 into z1 value 4 we find out 16. The third one is y1 value find out 1. So 1 into 16 is 16, and this one 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 into 64 is 16. So all the values remain constant. All the values are constant. We will see one more example. In a hostel, 75 students had provision for 24 days. If 15 students leave the hostel, for how many days would the food provision last? We have 75 students. 15 students leave the hostel. 75 minus 15 is 60 students. So 60 students, they take they require more days to finish the food. Okay, they require more days to finish the food. Okay, so in this way we will do what we will do. It's so they require more days, so lesser the students, they require more days. So it's a opposite, if you can see it's a opposite relation. So it's a inverse proportion. It's a inverse proportion, and inverse proportion 75 upon 60 equal to 24x, and we will do multiplication like this. 60x equal to 75 upon 24, x equal to 75 into 24 upon 60. 5 1. Okay, so this 12 will be cancelled by this. So the 60 students, they will finish the food in 30 days. Okay, so it's the inverse proportion. So it's very necessary that we have to find out first is the direct proportion or inverse proportion. We have to see quantity is increasing or decreasing, or the amount or days are increasing or decreasing. Okay, so now we will see, this is the last example. 6 pipes can fill a tank in 1 hour 24 minutes. How long it will to fill the tank if 7 pipes of the same type are used? Okay, so if we have 6 pipe, we have converted this into the minutes. 60 plus 24 is 84 minutes. Okay, so more, if we have more pipe, definitely it will take less time. It will take less time to finish fill the tank. Okay, so so this is increasing and this is required. We require the less day. So this is opposite. So again, it's a inverse proportion. Again 7x equal to 6 into 84, or x equal to 6 into 84 upon 7. Okay, so this will be cancelled 12, and this will be 6 into 12 is 12, 72. So 72 72 minutes. So if I want to convert it into the hour, so 60 plus 12, or 1 hour 12 minutes. So in this way we can find out the, here the pipes are increasing, so the time we need it less, so it's a inverse proportion. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.